Imagine this. An American company from the same country that built Boeing suddenly decides to bet $2.2 billion on China's brand new passenger jet, the C919. This isn't just a business deal, it's a global power shift in aviation. But the question is, why would a US firm take such a massive risk on a Chinese aircraft? In today's video, we're breaking down this shocking move, the reasons behind it, and what it means for the future of aviation. The C919 is China's first homegrown large passenger jet, designed to compete directly with the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320. It's built by COMAC, the Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, and has been in development for over 15 years, with billions of dollars invested by the Chinese government. China's goal is crystal clear: reduce dependency on Boeing and Airbus, and position itself as a global aviation leader. Now, here's the shocking headline. A US-based aircraft leasing company has placed a massive order worth $2.2 billion for dozens of C919 jets. This is like an earthquake in the aviation world. Because think about it, Boeing is America's pride, and yet a US firm has chosen to invest billions in China's alternative. So why take this risk? Here are 4 big reasons. First, price advantage. The C919 is reported to be 10 to 15% cheaper than comparable Boeing and Airbus models. That's a huge benefit for leasing companies that want to maximize profits. Second, fuel efficiency. COMAC claims the C919 consumes less fuel, which means airlines could save millions of dollars in long-term operations. Third, diversification. Right now, the global market is basically a Boeing Airbus duopoly. Adding a third player gives airlines more options and more negotiating power. And finally, timing issues. Boeing has been struggling with safety concerns and delivery delays, while Airbus is fully booked for years. That leaves a wide opening for COMAC to step in. So this US firm isn't just making a gamble, they see an opportunity to profit while the big players are facing challenges. This move puts enormous pressure on Boeing and Airbus. For decades, these two companies controlled almost the entire passenger jet market. But if the C919 proves itself to be reliable, affordable, and efficient, airlines might start shifting their trust. Boeing is already facing confidence issues after the 737 MAX crisis, while Airbus is struggling to keep up with overwhelming demand. COMAC, with full backing from the Chinese government, could use this exact moment to expand aggressively. But of course, it's not all smooth flying for COMAC. The C919 still relies heavily on Western components, like engines from CFM International. It also faces tough regulatory hurdles. Will it ever get full certification in the US or Europe? That remains a huge question mark. And let's not forget, Boeing and Airbus have decades of safety records and customer trust. COMAC has to prove it can match that same level of reliability before airlines truly commit. So here's the bottom line. This $2.2 billion bet is not just about airplanes. It's about global competition, shifting power, and the future of aviation. If the C919 succeeds, Boeing and Airbus may lose their monopoly over the skies. And the fact that an American company is willing to invest billions in a Chinese jet shows just how serious this disruption could be. What do you think? Is this the rise of a new aviation giant or just a risky experiment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.